This is a quick screencast just to make sure everyone knows how to insert pictures onto a Google slide deck. The specific purpose in this case is imagine a group share out with a Venn diagram where we substitute images that we'll later describe during our full group meeting for the words that are easy to gloss over and kind of check out for. So if we want to insert pictures, the first step we want to do is click on Insert. There we have images, and if we already have them on our computer, great, we can do that. But one of the really neat things is inside of Google Slides, we can actually search the web. And so if in this Venn diagram we want to say, oh, you know what? The old way is something that, time moved slowly. And so I want to have an hourglass kind of an image here. And so I can pick the one I want, double click on it. It'll show up on my slide deck. Now I can go to any one of the four corners in order to expand or more likely shrink that image and drag it to where it belongs on the Venn diagram. The final thing that we can do that is pretty cool is we can right click on that image and choose to add a comment in which we can explain that time moved slowly in the past. We click comment, and this now will appear so that as we populate our Venn diagram, people can click on an image and the comment that is related will appear. I hope this is helpful, and feel free to leave me questions.